So hello guys, welcome back again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram access data options not showing on iPhone and Android. Lot of Instagram user has been reported to Instagram access data options not showing on my iPhone and Android devices. Now question is what to do for the access data options come back in my iPhone and Android. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now first of all open the Instagram. Now you can see also profile icon at the right hand side bottom. Now please make sure tap on that. Now tap on the three lines at the right hand side corner. In this pop-up first option is settings. Now please make sure tap on that, and now fifth option is security. In the security data and history options, access data options not available. So guys, now what to do? Now again right hand side bottom to select the profile icon. Now please make sure tap on that. Now select the again three lines at the right hand side top corner, and fourth option is your activity. In the your activity, now last option is download your information. Now please make sure verify your email ID. Now again tap on the request download. Now enter your correct passcode of the Instagram. Password enter after. You can see also right hand side corner next icon. Now so guys, please make sure tap on that. This way too you can easily access data of your Instagram account in your iPhone and Android. Now second trick is lot of users to say Instagram access data options back in my iPhone and Android. So guys, what to do? Now first of all find out the Instagram applications, press and hold, and now last option is uninstall. When the uninstall is completed, now open the any browser. In the browser top corner search bar, in search bar search, I give you on my descriptions box this link. So guys, please make sure copy and paste. When the search is completed, now tap on the download. Easy to download and install applications on your iPhone and Android. When the installation is completed, now please make sure open it applications and log in again your account on your iPhone and Android. In these versions you can easily get back access data options on your iPhone and Android devices. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem. Thank you so much.